So they decided to tell everybody within their district, everybody within their region. So I ended up being contracted to do over about 70, 80 churches in this area. And it's still going on right now. And the pandemic is not over, but it's still, it's kind of on a more even, or it's a not so high end where people are paranoid. So I think that the main thing that really got me to the point where I was able to make such a large amount of money in a short period of time, and I'm just snapshotting 1 month. This has been going on the entire year. Not quite that high, but this has been going on the entire year. And I'm saying this because I want you to realize that it's not about trying to get that one account and make all your money in one shot. You have to be able to build, because this career, this entrepreneur life has to be to a point where you're constantly growing and building, so that your company is not kind of stagnant, and you have to be in a position where you're able to pivot your business no matter what happens. So we were able to get to a point where we were able to get churches that we never even advertised to, because of word of mouth, because in the beginning I educated the client, I told them what they needed, and I told them what they didn't need. They trusted us, and they believed that we were the people to be able to solve their pain points, to solve their problems, and to be able to get them to the point where they felt comfortable. In doing so, we were able to take care of every church in the district. We're still working on the region, and we're still pressing forward.